Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. And to today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use, your DoorDash virtual card at a gas station. So it's really easy and simple. So basically, guys, if you're ready to fill up gas and you want to use your DoorDash virtual card for maintenance, guys, you're in the right place. Follow along step by step. So first things first, of course, open the DoorDash app on your phone and make sure that you're actually logged into your account. And if you don't have a virtual card yet, guys, you can get one by going to your account section and then just selecting a payment methods and applying for the virtual card. And guys, once your virtual card is ready, guys, I need you to go ahead and open your Apple Wallet or Google Play app on your phone. Depending on what device you're using, you just make sure your DoorDash virtual card is added to your wallet. And what you want to do is at the gas station, you want to just head to the pump and just select your payment option. And you want to look for the option to pay with the mobile wallet. Then next, guys, I need you to just unlock your phone, open the Apple Wallet or Google Pay app, and select your DoorDash virtual card. Just hold your phone near the payment terminal, okay, to make the payment. And guys, if the pump supports contactless payments, it should actually process your transaction instantly, and you'll see, the payment confirmation on your phone, and you can basically start pumping gas. So it is that easy and simple, guys, using your DoorDash virtual card at gas stations. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on the bell notifications so I can see you guys next time.